everyone, today I'm sharing a great upgrade for a new Range Rover Sport owners. This Joe's design dynamic LED tail light. It will take your ride looks to a new level. This tail light has a built-in animation when you start the car. Every time you get in, it feels so futuristic. And at night, even better. Once the whole dynamic LED tail light lights up, you can spot your Range Rover Sport right away in traffic with maximum visibility. Now let's talk about installation, which everyone cares most about. No need to take apart the original car wiring. Just remove the old trim panel and replace it. It comes with a dedicated wiring harness. We have the connector for your plug and play. Be careful for connect the wiring on the car. Please connect the right side tail lamp, cause the voltage difference so right side will be more stable. The whole progress is non-destructive installation, takes only around 30 minutes. It won't damage the original car structure but boosts its appearance quickly. Even beginner car owners can feel confident installing it. Next, let's take a look at the effect after installation. To all Range Rover Sport owners and modification shop owners, feel free to leave your thoughts on the dynamic LED tail lights. Follow me, next time I will bring more amazing Land Rover products. Bye bye!